take the tea towels a step further, right?
Yep.
So what you do first is you're going to cut your 2 pieces, and you're going to cut your batting, and then you're going to take also your piece that goes down the center of it. I have put Heat and Bond Light on the back side of the ribbon, and you will apply it to one of your front pieces. So this piece now is what I'm going to be working with. I'm going to take batting. I actually cut my piece bigger than what it tells you on the instructions, and you can just quilt the whole top of it. Then I'm going to take my back piece, I'm going to put right sides together, also all the way around. I will turn it, I press it really good, and then I do a 1/4 inch around the outside. I put a cute little button on the top of this one.
I think the button's cute though.
Then I'm going to put right sides together, and I'm going to sew down the center to hold it. So then when I'm done, it's going to go like this.
I love that.
Isn't that so easy?